Hi friends, I'll show you how to add discount coupon codes on your Shopify stores. So basically there are two types of coupon codes in Shopify. You can actually create a manual discount code and an automated discount code. So actually a manual discount code is in case you will create a discount code and send it to your customers like use this discount code for getting 10% off like that. Automated discounts is a discount coupon code that we create. It will be automatically applied at the checkout of the customer.
Now coming to how create a discount code, you have to go to the Shopify admin panel, click on the discounts tab which is over here. Then you see these two tabs, discount codes and the automatic discounts. Today I'll show you how to create a manual discount codes. So you have to click on create discount code button over here. So you get this page. So there are four types of discounts that you can create. So first one is percentage, means you are giving like 25% off. So you give a discount coupon code and you are giving your customers a percentage off on the cart value. Now fixed amount means you are telling like $5 or 25 dirhams or 100 dirhams on the order. Now free shipping, like you are giving free shipping for the customers. Now buy X and get Y means buy one product and get the other product for free. So these are the four types of discount codes that you can create on the Shopify. Now let's see first how we create a percentage discount code. So you can give a discount code like S is 21 and it is a 10% off. So you can give the name that you want to give for the coupon code. Now you select percentage and here in the value field you have to give what percentage of discount you are going to give. So it is 10% that you are going to give, and we can set up on what all products it applies to. So if the discount code applies to all the products in the store, then you have to create all products. Now if you were giving it only for specific collections, maybe the last season products, you are going to give a discount code. In that case you have to select specific collections, and from here you can see what all collections we have in our store and select the collections. So for example, I am giving it only for earrings. Then I can say somebody purchases products from this collection, only then the coupon code will be applied in that case. Then here we can actually set up, I'm sorry, so here we also have specific products like for only certain products. So when you click on browse, you can see the various products we have in our store, and also a particular variant only you want to give the discount code. In that case also you can do like that. So for example, this sneakers, I am going to give a discount only for this particular size or this particular size. Then we can do it like that also. We don't have to give the discount coupon code for all the variants, even single variants, or we can give discount coupon code, condition can be applied. Now the requirements you can set, is there any requirement that you want to set? If you select none, there won't be any conditions like on how the people can apply the discount code. Now if you select minimum purchase amount, that is like we say above 200 dirhams, you can use this discount code. So if someone purchases below 200 dirhams, someone is purchasing for 150 dirhams, their card value is 150 dirhams, in that case this coupon code won't be applied. So you give us here as 200, then if only if someone purchases above 200 dirhams, this coupon code will be applied. Now so here you can set either the minimum purchase amount, or we can set it as the minimum quantity of items. So if someone purchases only, like if you want they purchase 5 products from your store, then only give this coupon code. So in this case it doesn't check the condition of the price, it only checks the number of items that they purchase. Here we check the condition of the price, what is the total cart value. Here how many number of products are added to the cart, that's what we check over here. Now customer eligibility means if everyone, the coupon code can be applied to anyone. So for example, you want to give this coupon code only to your maybe subscribers, newsletter subscribers. In that case you can select specific group of customers, and here you select the browse button and you can see our customer lists that you have in your Shopify admin panel. From here you can see there, we can see abandoned checkouts. Then only for abandoned checkouts people you can send this discount coupon code. Then only the email subscribers who have subscribed to your email, they can see it. Then maybe the new customers that you have, only for them they'll be able to use the discount coupon code. Here you can also select specific customers, where you will see the list of customers that you have and can give coupon code only for them. Now, usage limits. Here you can limit how many times the coupon code can be used. So first, for example, if you don't have any limits, you don't have to do anything over here, which means you are not restricting anybody from using it any number of times. Then you don't have to select any of this. So if you are selecting limit the number of times this can be applied, so you say 200. In that case, what happens is only 200 times in total someone can use this discount code. Here it doesn't limit per customer, it only takes the number of times it is used. So a single customer can use this discount code for 2 or 3 times, so that condition is not checked here. So they can use it 3 or 4 times, and it only counts the number of times it is used. So when it comes 200 times, somebody has 200 times in total this coupon code has been used in your store, then it becomes invalid. Okay, then next is coming when you select is limit to 1 use per customer. Yeah, so here what happens is there is no limit. Somebody can there is no limit that we have set for the discount coupon code. The number of times it can be used is unlimited, but a customer can use it only once. Now we can actually set it like this, 2 of it together. So 200 times 200 times it can be used, and a single person can use it a single time. So if you check both these check boxes, then it can be used by only a single customer, and when it comes to 200 times the coupon code is used in your store, the code becomes inactive. Next, here we have the active dates, like when you want to set the coupon code active. So here you can select the start date, and now you want to set an end date. You are giving the discount code is valid only for 1 week. Then you can also set up the end dates. So in case you forget to deactivate it, automatically when that end date comes, the coupon code will be deactivated. So now we saw how the percentage discount code is applied. Now let us see how we can do with the fixed amount. So once you change these types, the below values will change automatically. So percentage, it will be a different thing, and when you click on fixed amount also, the below values are going to change. Now when you click on fixed amount, here you have to give how much is the amount of discount that you are going to give. So I'm going to give a 50 dirhams off. Okay, for a 50 dirhams off, and the same thing, whether it is applied to same things what we have discussed on the percentage one, whether it will apply to all products, to specific collections or specific products. So these things you have to select here. Then the requirements also is the same, there is no difference. What is the minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items that have to be purchased. Now then customer eligibility also is the same as we have discussed on the percentage type of discount code, and usage limits and active the dates are also the same. There is no difference in that. Now when coming to free shipping, so here there is a little bit of changes. So here we have to select like whether we are giving free shipping to all the countries, then you have to select all countries. Now if you are giving free shipping only for a specific country, you are shipping throughout GCC, and you are now giving an offer that you are giving free shipping only to UAE, in that case you can select here. Yes, you can select the countries. Yeah, so I'm giving only to UAE, then I can select okay, in UAE only I'm going to give this free shipping. And here we can select whether we exclude the shipping rates over a certain amount. So here you have to select if it is like you can set the shipping rates. Then the minimum requirement field as well is the same, like how in what conditions the coupon code will be applied. Customer eligibility, usage limits, and active dates are all the same. Now coming to buy X get Y free, we have two options. So the buy first comes is what the customer have to buy to get the offer, so that we have to set. So we set, like, they buy how many quantity of the products, whether which product we can set up, like whether they buy this blue earrings, and so they have to buy this blue earrings to get what we have to select that product also. So they buy this blue earring and they get a ring earring free. See, so like that. So first is the section where buy this product, which is that product we have to add over here, and what product they get here, that is where you have to add customer gets. So here we have to add what product they will get. So here we are specifying the particular product. Now we can also give it as a specific collections, so they can purchase any product from this collection. Yeah, from earrings collections they can buy any product from earrings collections. And here either we can set it like when they buy anything from the earrings collections, they get bag free, we can say. Or here also we can select which collection, any collection, so they can purchase anything from a particular collection also. That also we can give. So we can set up the specific product and specific collections also, we can set it up. Okay, and here we can actually give whether when they buy this, it's not only free, maybe when we are giving it as free, we can set it as a free here. Now if we say they buy this product and this product they get an offer, so they get it for 10% discounted rate. Like that also we can set. So they buy this product, so just to make clear once again, they buy anything from the earrings, and in this case when we set up the percentage as 10% of the product from the bags collection, they will get for a 10% off, and it is not free. Now if we select it as free here, they buy this earrings product, they buy any product from the earrings and they get any product from the bags collection as free. So that is the difference between this percentage and free. Here we can set a maximum number of uses per customer, like how many times they can buy it. If we want to set up a limit, so you say a customer can get this offer only once, then you can set up that limit. If you doesn't, they can purchase it multiple times. The same customer eligibility and usage limits all comes the same.